Hey, so here's Ali Mobile app. So it's one of the top apps right now with regard to like opening bank, investing, managing your money. Yeah, you can see it's in the top charts in finance app. So just to install, just tap get here, and then you can just use your touch ID or password, and then you see that it's like only 75 megabytes. It has 30k plus ratings, and it has 4.7 average rating, which is pretty good actually. Not a lot of apps have that. And then it has like English, French, and Spanish, so it's quite international app. And then yeah, you can just go and open it up. So let's try to do it together. You can allow notifications, you can either log in, uh, then you have just an overview. You can select type of an account, and then you can see all the features here. Then just tap open account, and you're directed to the website. Then you can just view the steps. It should take 5 minutes or less. So just create your account, add your information, submit application, deposit money, and then enroll. So what you need SSR, SSN, so Social Security number or tax identification number, U.S. street address, legal name, and birth date. So LI is only viable for like, yeah, as you can see, U.S. residents, people with SSN. So that's that. Hope that was helpful.